This is just going to be a really short video about this mirrorless cage I found. It's the Andoer cage for M50 model Canon mirrorless cameras. It only costs around like $25 at the time of recording this video, and it fits surprisingly well with the Canon EOS M. Not much companies make cages for EOS Ms anymore since it's pretty outdated, and no one in their right mind would ever consider buying an M50 cage and try to use it on another model like a EOS M. So even with the cage installed, you can still attach your microphones or external HDMI, and the battery cover can still be opened without any obstruction or problems whatsoever.